channel update and appreciations and all stuff like that. So when we get moving, we'll get on with it. Somebody's going to have fun up with it. You couldn't get a smaller trailer, could you? And off we jolly well go. More traffic lights. Still not done anything on the landfill bike. Not a sausage. And what else? Well, basically I've been prattling about with a mountain bike, believe it or not. Gone back to my youth a little bit. So that's what I've done. I've made a couple of videos on going back to my youth, building push bikes. I know most of you on my channel are going to think, "Ooh, nobody watch that crap," but you know, it's not all just for you, is it? You know, I'm not saying that in a nasty way, but you know, what's to say I have to make videos all about motorbikes? I've always done different things on my channel in the past. Guitar stuff, building cabinets, building tripods, all sorts. So you know, I'm going to stick it in my channel. Even fixing cars just come into my mind. Got another video coming out on the Mondeo, taking the door panel out and the door speaker, because I have an idea for the speakers in my landfill bike, which will probably be back in the autumn. Do it over the winter. Yes, I'd just like to say a massive thank you to I can't really say his YouTube name because I can't really remember it. It's JL1 something or other. Sorry dude, I can't, but it sounds like he's from the outback somewhere in Australia. What a better place to be, away from all this COVID and all that crap. But anyway, Lewis, you know who you are. Thank you very much again for my new donation. That's the second one from you. Wow. I'm getting famous. No, I've had a few donations, and thank you very much, everybody, for all your support and donations. They are very much appreciated, and they are very much helpful. Very much helpful. Yes, they are very much helpful for buying stuff for my channel. I've already bought a DA for the bodywork on the CBR. I've ordered an angle grinder because, as you know, my one burnt out with my hand inside it, or wrapped around it, or whatever. What else have I bought? Yeah, I bought a new front brake master cylinder to get rid of this crap Chinese death trap one. What else have I bought? Bought a new microphone setup for my wireless. Hopefully it works alright. It seems to work alright. I've given it a try, but it seems okay. See what you think. So how are we doing? Is it recording alright? Hopefully it's recording alright. So yes, let's try this new microphone out. Hey up everybody, just a quick test on my new microphone setup. See if it really works. It's the first time I've ever used it. Just a little quick video to see if it actually works. So going further and further away. Hopefully you can still hear me and it's not cutting out and you can't hear any wind noise. Now I'm going to go around the corner all the way to the back. Yes, I would have thought it was cutting out around this corner, but you never know, it might be picking me up. Hopefully you can still hear it. Hopefully I'm not out of sync with the sound and the picture. So, hopefully this sound test has been alright. So if you guys could just let me know if this sound test has been any better, I would much appreciate it. You know, just let me know if my sound is okay or not okay. And it will be very much appreciated in the comments. So, here we go. Yeah, it sounds alright, doesn't it? Where am I going? I'm just going off to our kids because he's gone to Wales. Lucky sod. Could have gone with him, I suppose, but you know, I'm a bit nervous in this day and age, going into built up places where there's lots of people coughing and spitting all over you. You know what I mean. So unfortunately I turned him down. But anyway, I'm going to his house to water his plants and I'm going to pinch his hedge trimmers so I can do some gardening in my garden. Bit more posh around here. Bit posh. See you in a bit. See what I mean when I say a bit more posh? Bit echoey in here, isn't it, when the house is empty? And there she is, my dear old mother. Passed away 2017, July. In fact, it was the 4th of July when she passed away. God bless her. Behind the green door. God. Yes, where I used to keep all my motorbikes when I was younger. Oh no, smashed my helmet on the beam. Oh dear. Where's his shears? There they are. Oh, don't drop them before you've even got them. Yes, I used to do all my motorbike stuff in here many years ago, before I got a camera and started filming. I laid all these slabs down, made the pond, made the steps, made the arch, made those steps, made that wall. and I helped make the memorial for my mother. And there's my mum's ashes in that box. In fact, I used to have my tin shed there. Got some footage of me somewhere riding my bike up this path. My 600 Ninja. See if I can find it and put it in. So yes, this is where I used to live when I was a bachelor. And then came along Anne, and this is where I am now. Not here, you know. There I am sweating. On the road. Oh, it's a bit better. Oh, knackered. Okay, let's hit the road, Jack. But here we are back on the road, so unless anything else exciting happens, let me put my helmet down. So here we are back on the road, so unless anything else exciting happens on the trip home, I'll see you back in the shed. So here we are back safe and sound. Little bit of road rodent history there, so yes, this is the end of the video. I am off to go and get some shopping. Cool. Don't we all hate shopping? Used to hate shopping, but nowadays it's even worse, isn't it? You've got all these people walking straight at you with no masks on. So you have to move out of the way. But I don't do that anymore because they move out of the way for me. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I don't think it's going to be of much use to anybody, but you know, hopefully it was entertaining. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay safe. And I'll see you on the next one.
I'll see you in another life, brother.